first base.
And Maier drives it into right center field. Jackson on the move, and it's off his glove. Another extra base hit. Maier will go to third with an RBI triple.
Mitch jumps all over this fastball on the inner half and drives it into right center field. He got good extension on it, and Austin Jackson went a long, long way and just did get this ball off the end of his glove. Great effort by Jackson, but ball goes off the wall, and Maier ends up with a triple. Eric Hosmer scores on the base hit.